Potato Chickpea Yogurt Stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the veg recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most different of the chickpea recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make potato chickpea yogurt stew. The ingredients are 1 potato peeled and cut into pieces, big potato, or if you are taking medium potatoes, 2 potatoes, around 150 grams of chickpea soaked in water for 3 to 4 hours, around 100 ml of yogurt, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 shallots, 1 mace, 1 piece of mace, 25 grams of garlic, 1.5 spoons of fennel, 5 to 6 Kashmiri chillies, and 2 to 3 sprigs of cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. Now put in the Kashmiri chilies and the fennel seeds, and the mace, and close and grind well. Now pour in the yogurt into the grinder and close and grind all these ingredients together. Now all the ingredients have been nicely ground and you can use to make the dish further. Heat the pan and pour in ten ml of oil. Put in the shallots. Salt. Saute the shallots till shallots lose the pinkish color. Release out and mix. garlic, putting the tomatoes, now chili yogurt mix thoroughly. Now put in the potato pieces. Mix the potato pieces. In the chili yogurt mixture. Put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. chickpea. Mix. Mix the chickpea with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in 300 ml of water. Mix the mixture thoroughly. The water. And let the mixture cook for 25 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 45 minutes if in the open flame. Now the potato chickpea yogurt stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Put in some cilantro or coriander leaves and mix. Now this can be served. This is the final potato chickpea yogurt stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most tastiest of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.